Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how you can enable the dictation in iPhone. So what I mean by dictation is that if let us say you want to send the message to someone, then normally what you will do is you will type the message on the keyboard. But with the dictation, what happens is you don't need to type anything. All you have to do is just send the message using voice. The voice will be automatically converted into the text, and then that text will be ultimately sent to the recipient. So to enable the dictation in iPhone, what you have to do is go to the settings, and over there you have to search for keyboard, then go to the keyboard settings. Over there you will see the setting called as enable dictation. Just enable that one, and here it's also displaying the dictation languages as well. So I have already selected two languages there, English and Hindi. So I can speak in English and then iPhone will convert it to the text in English. If I speak in Hindi, it will convert it into Hindi. So to choose the language, you can go to keyboards here, and then from there you can select the language. For Hindi, you have to select this Hindi - transliteration, otherwise it will not translate. So once this setting is done, what you have to do is you have to go to the chat application or the text message application, and there you can see that there is microphone is being displayed at the bottom, just near the space, that key, space key. So what you have to do is just type here and then speak. Let us say I want to say how are you. So what I'm going to do is just click on this one, let us go to the WhatsApp, and over there to change the language you have to click on this globe icon, and you can see I have selected Hindi here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna say something in Hindi and it will be translated into Hindi. Kaise ho, like that I'm gonna say. That means how are you. Dictation in iPhone. If you have more questions, let me know through the comments. Thanks for watching this video.